Psychology is the study of mind and behavior. It encompasses the biological influences, social pressures, and environmental factors that affect how people think, act, and feel. If you know about human psychology, you can easily understand not only other person's behavior, what they are feeling, also it can help you to understand yourself. Here today I am with 7 psychological facts you surely want to know. Hey, welcome to our channel The Inner Vision. Make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's go ahead to the video. Number 1. Accepting negative emotions help you in gaining peace of mind. We often force ourselves to hide our negative feelings such as anger and resentment. But psychological studies have shown that instead of suppressing them, we must try to accept them. Accepting the negative emotions can help us to maintain our peace of mind and will lead to better mental health. It helps us to become emotionally resilient, also acknowledging the dark emotions, lower anxiety and depression. A study shows that over time, acceptance leads us to positive psychological health and increases the feeling of satisfaction in one's life. Also proves that when people habitually begin accepting negative emotions, they feel elevated levels of well-being. So next time, don't run from negative emotions. Accept it. Number 2. Beginnings and ends are easier to remember than middles. When people are asked to recall items from a list, they were most likely to think of things from the very end or from the very beginning. Found in one study published in Frontiers of Human Neuroscience. Maybe you also experienced this. In most of the cases, when you are recalling something, like after watching a movie or reading a storybook, you remember the beginning and the end easily than the middle part. It is called serial position effect. It is the tendency of a person to recall the first and last items in a series based and the middle items lost. The term serial position effect was coined by Hermann Ebbinghaus through studies he performed on himself. Number 3. We would rather know something bad is coming than not know what to expect. Researchers who published their book in the journal Nature have found that it is less stressful to know something negative is about to happen than when we don't know how things will work out. That's because the part of our brain that predicts consequences, whether good or bad, is most active when it does not know what to expect. But it is obvious that we all want to know something bad or good is coming than not know what to expect. Number 4. Humans cannot multitask. You may hear people claiming that they are natural multitaskers, and you have probably even seen it in some job requirements. But the fact is, humans simply cannot multitask. Sure, you can listen to music while you work, but your brain can only process one higher function task at a time. That means that you will either be doing work and mainly ignoring the music, or listening to the music and ignoring your work. People simply cannot think about two things at once. Number 5. You make most of your decisions unconsciously. You like to think that when you make a decision, you have carefully and logically weighted all the relevant factors. You might think you are, but actually this is not what you think. The recent research shows that although you want to think that your decision making is a conscious, deliberate process, it's not. Most decisions are made through unconscious mental processing. The majority of your decisions are made in your subconscious because otherwise your conscious mind would be overwhelmed with information and you will probably get mentally frozen. The reason for this is that your brain receives over 11 million bits of information every second, and there is simply not enough brain power to go through all of it consciously. Number 6. The brain actually feels rejection as physical pain. Everyone has felt the great pain of rejection at some point in their lives. But did you know that rejection does not merely cause emotional pain, but actual physical harm too? Even if you cannot feel any physical pain, scientists have found that the reactions and cascading events that take place in the brain after being rejected or experiencing physical pain are almost identical. What's more, the same natural chemical is released in both instances too. Number 7. Some people enjoy seeing anger in others. Yeah, it's true, but for some peoples. In one University of Michigan study, people with high testosterone remembered information better when it was paired with an angry face than a natural one or no face, indicating they found the angry glare rewarding. The researchers said it could mean that certain people enjoy making someone else glare at them, as long as the flash of anger does not last long enough to be a threat. So, these are some of the human psychology facts which might help you to understand people better. There are obviously more psychological facts, and I will make another part of it. If you learned something today, like and share this video and comment down about more psychological facts you know. Thanks for watching.